Allow me to unveil my latest collection, jewelry fashioned with ornate decorative wire. Throughout this month, we shall embark on a journey together as I guide you through the creation of each exquisite piece. Stay by my side and immerse yourself in the artistry, as together, we delve into the realm of beauty and craftsmanship. I will use in these projects a decorative wire that you can make yourself or buy in my store. Find the link in the description. I will guide you, step by step, from the simplest to the most intricate designs, revealing the secrets behind crafting each piece of this stunning jewelry collection. All of these jewelry pieces will be available for purchase in my store at joliefleurdeco.etsy.com.